I repair Samsung appliances almost every day. Here's the complete breakdown of what actually breaks on Samsung refrigerators, washers, and dryers. Samsung refrigerators, top 3 problems. 1. Ice maker failures. They freeze up, stop producing, or make hollow ice. Samsung's most well-known issue. 2. Defrost system failure. Ice builds behind the freezer panel, blocks air vents, fridge stops cooling. Freezer stays cold, but the fridge side gets warm. 3. Of on the display. That's demo mode, not a real malfunction. Hold energy saver and freezer buttons for 8 seconds. Samsung washers, most common issues. Error 5, E means drain clogged. Clean the pump filter at the bottom. Error UE, it means unbalanced load. Redistribute clothes. SUD error means too many suds. Use heat detergent and less of it. Front load door gaskets also develop mold if you don't leave the door open between loads. Samsung dryers. Errors TE and here temperature and heater problems, usually caused by a clogged vent, not a bad dryer. Samsung dryers are more airflow sensitive than other brands. Clean the vent first before assuming the dryer is broken. Despite the issues, most Samsung problems are fixable and not catastrophically expensive. Just stay on top of maintenance. Same-day Samsung repair. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.